Welcome to Tech Edify. Now, in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can convert any image into a PDF file. Maybe you are filling some forms, or maybe you want to send an image to someone, but the person said that he need or she need the image to be in a PDF format. Now, I'm going to just show you a very simple way that you can do that. Now, if you check on my desktop, I have a lot of photos here. So all these things are images. Now, to turn any image into a PDF file, so let's look at this first one. So this is an image. So I'm just going to save or convert this image into a PDF. Now, to simply convert an image into a PDF, this is what you do. Just simply right click on it and I just go to the print. Now, when you come to the print, now make sure that your printer, you have selected Microsoft Print to PDF. Now, this will help to convert this image into a PDF. Now, if you want to change your size, you can change the paper size. So after you are done, what you have to do is that you just hit on the print button here, and now it will prompt you to give it a name. So let's assume maybe t-shirt print. All right, so after giving it a name, then you choose where you want to save it. So let's put it on desktop. So I'm just going to save this on the desktop. So you can see the save as type is on PDF automatically. So when you tap on the save, now your image has been converted to PDF. So this is the file. So let's open it and see. All right, so you can see the file that we just converted. And so this is PDF, so you can see it very nicely. So you can send this PDF to them. Now, if this video has been very helpful, please don't forget to share this video so to help others. And don't forget to give it a thumb up and then subscribe to this video if today happens to be your first time. See you